So today I'm going to do a really quick video on a new acquisition. This comes with a recipe book. To make this super easy, you can set your own programmed. You set a timer. This has buttons on it so that you can choose the maximum wattage. It defaults at 1300 when you start it up. 600, 900, or 1300. It comes with 6 pre-programmed temperatures: low, medium, medium high, or max sear. This is a 6.5-inch coil. I use very small pots and pans like this when I'm on the road, even when I'm camping. This duck stop would be great if I had an RV, a larger vehicle, or if I was going to use it at a campground in a campsite. Why I'm doing induction cooktops is in the summertime when the temperatures get very hot in the van. I don't like carrying things that can leak or explode in high temperatures. And believe it, the van gets very hot when it's just sitting in the sun. So I wanted to stop using these. In the fall, it's a little different, but right now, this time of year, I don't want to be traveling with something that I either can't smell if it's leaking or just if it tips over, because, well, these can't be stored in a tipped over fashion. I don't have any windows in the back, so ventilation is kind of an issue also. Power supply is at 100%. I'm going to start this off with some olive oil. And I'm going to hit starting. The frozen onions and 2 kinds of peppers. I freeze everything in the refrigerator freezer I have. So when I'm on the road, I can make a quick meal like this, even if it's the middle of the night. I cut up some summer squash and zucchini. I'm going to be adding a can of stewed tomatoes. A little bit of basil and a sprig of rosemary. I'm going to cover this. I'm going to let it set for about half an hour on lower heat. When you take the pan off, this automatically stops. Then you see an E1, which means that there's nothing metallic on it. And just for the sake of showing you truth in filming, there. I'm holding it with my hand. It is not hot underneath. Cooked veg. As always, I hope you like this video. I do try to keep them short. If you have any ideas that you'd like to see for camping equipment or something that I haven't already videoed, leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching my channel.